Welcome, here I've got VIVO X60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick the settings button from the right to open the advanced camera options. And here we have to slide a little bit down to photo category and tap to the second position shutter, so we can get access to more shutter options. The second one here is voices, so we can say cheese to take photos and taking pictures without touching the screen by saying the voice command. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on and let's move back to the camera and try to use it. So let me try to take a picture by saying now cheese. And as you can see, the photo was taken, so it works perfectly. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.